Hello guys, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning. We have gone through many videos on machine learning such as facial emotion recognition using webcam, using image. We have seen many facial emotion recognition: angry, disgusting, happy, fear, and many more. 7 exact emotions we have seen. Then facial emotion recognition using TensorFlow we have seen. Then facial emotion recognition using Keras with Fear 2013 dataset, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really enhancement of previous video. In my previous video long time back we have seen image of a person with name. Today we are going to see ID with name in this video. So for that, let us go through the Python file first. In that, first part, importing the required library for the program, then load the model. Face cascade classifier is used for detecting the face, then load the labels, load model, the trainer wire, then label the model, then face recognition, then this part is of that part only, and then while loop, infinite loop, then generate frame by frame for the recognizing, then prediction of the facial recognition, then the name of the image, and here show the frame and exit while loop using Q, then release the webcam and close all window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, detecting. Yes, it has been detected. ID generated and the name is RDN. So I successfully done with image recognition with name and ID. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will back with more videos on machine learning. Thank you very much.